Hi there. After you have published your Tripetto form and collected responses, you will undoubtedly want to see and use those results. That's pretty easily done by downloading them straight to your computer. To demonstrate how to do this in the builder, we have opened a simple form that has already collected several responses. We can now just open the results screen from the top menu bar. This will open up the results screen with a list of all collected submissions. You can simply click on any one of them to see their individual entries. From the results screen, it's also possible to download all of the results at once. Just click the Export button at the top of the list to have all results automatically exported to a CSV file and downloaded straight to your computer. You can then open it in your favorite spreadsheet application like Excel or Google Sheets for further processing or analysis. If the data in your spreadsheet is not presented correctly, please have a look at our Help Center for instructions on how to fix that. And that's how you can use the results you collect with your Tripetto form. Also check out our other videos for more tips and tricks. And don't forget to subscribe to our Tripetto channel. Thanks, and goodbye.